Other tips or tricks or things that you like to tell people about YouTube who either don't know much about YouTube or maybe they've tried it and it didn't work?
Yeah, great question. Well, nowadays especially, right? Like with the amount of videos that are being uploaded on YouTube every single day, like you were mentioning at the very beginning of this podcast, Brett, like there is no reason why if you have even a smaller e-commerce business in this case, right, that you shouldn't at least test a small budget to YouTube ads, right? There's people that can buy your product and are in the market for your solution on YouTube, right? And with 2022 and responsive ads, right? That's the new norm. So you can no longer just show your ads in stream. You have to show your ads on in stream plus Google Display. So a few extra tips for you guys. Make sure when you upload your ads to YouTube, you put a thumbnail because your thumbnail, if you don't have it, is going to be seen without it and it's going to look weird. It's going to take a random screenshot from your video and put that as a thumbnail. So you want to make custom thumbnails for your ads. All right. And you also want to link your call to action, aka your landing page, in your description of the video, right? And in the first comment of the video. Because if people click on your ad as what's called an in discovery ad, because there's those videos on the right of YouTube, right? When you're watching a video that are suggested videos. And probably a lot of your clients have clicked on them or your viewers have clicked on an ad or a video, not thinking it was an ad because it was in the suggested videos, but it turns out to be an ad. Now, the problem with that is if you don't have your call to action in the description, right, you may have a chance of losing a potential conversion there. So make sure your landing page is in the description. Make sure you pin a comment on the actual ad with another landing with your landing page as well. And make sure you have a custom thumbnail that's enticing, right, captivating, really just intriguing for the viewer so that they click and they actually watch the ad. And
That's great.
ultimately start running YouTube ads.
Yes, yes, absolutely. So, can you talk about thumbnails for a minute? How do you guys approach thumbnails?
Yeah.
Are you mainly just looking for the right frame, the right images that will make someone click, or are you thinking about what copy to overlay on that thumbnail? Talk through kind of what you look for in a powerful thumbnail.
Yeah, so the framework we use is if the hook of the video is a specific, like we use the first sentence or the main hook of the actual
Nice.
copy on the thumbnail. So for example, right, for our ads, right, we had the main copy of one of our ads is like, how to generate an additional 6 to 8 figures in revenue using YouTube ads in our HSD system. So we took a copy of that and we put it in a thumbnail copy, right? How to generate an extra 6 to 8 figures in revenue using HSD YouTube ads, right? To the average person, they're going to wonder what the HSD system is or what HSD YouTube ads are. Plus, right, we have a picture of myself in there, so it's also showing them what they're going to experience. So, and very simply for your audience, right, we have 5 to 7 words for the actual headline, which you get from the actual hook of the ad, right? Which in your case, for the volume example we shared earlier, right, is broccoli actually good for you? Question mark. That's the thumbnail copy right there. And the picture is probably someone that has broccoli and like this looking at
Hmm.
it. Like I would look
Yep.
something like that would be like a good enticing thumbnail. So we are customizing the thumbnail and the copy based off the hook of the ad. That's the easiest way to do it.